Are you tired of chasing motivated sellers? In the Google Motivated Seller Mastery, I'm going to show you exactly how to get inbound motivated sellers completely on autopilot at the highest quality you can possibly get for the cheapest cost, and it is 10 times easier than doing cold outreach. And really, what is an inbound motivated seller in the first place? An inbound motivated seller is somebody who is essentially raising their hand or reaching out to you instead of the other way around to sell their house for whatever reason. The reason it's so much better is because instead of reaching out to the person and being really weird and they're caught off guard, they are reaching out to you and they already trust you to actually reach out to want to sell their house to you. It's so much easier than outbound because with outbound, you're consistently having to use your own power to actually get a motivated seller, where these lead sources are constantly working for you, whether you're sleeping or working or whatever you're doing. And no matter if you have $0 or a lot of money to spend on marketing, you need to get started immediately when it comes to getting inbound motivated sellers with Google. Now, the Google Motivated Seller Mastery is a complete step-by-step course of what I do in my own company and for all of my clients all across the country to get consistent inbound motivated sellers from Google without hiding a single thing. This is my entire process. But throughout the video series, if you want me to do your Google marketing for you instead, feel free to hit my website in the link in the description. I'd be happy to chat with you. But please, enjoy the series, learn a lot, take notes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos.